How to place order on Shein app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and install the Shein application from your device's app store. Further, launch the app and log in or create a new account. Now, use the search bar at the top or explore the categories on the home screen to find items you like. Further, tap on the product to view details, sizes, and reviews. Now, select your preferred size, color, and quantity and tap on the Add to Cart button to place the item in your shopping cart. Once you have added all items on your cart, tap on the shopping cart icon, usually located at the top right corner. Now review your items and make adjustments if necessary. Example, update quantities or remove items. Now proceed to check out. Tap on the checkout option to begin the payment process and enter or confirm your shipping address. Select your preferred shipping method, that is, standard or express, and then choose a payment method, no matter if it's credit or debit card, PayPal, or any other options depending on your regions. Also, if you have a coupon or discount code, tap on the Apply Coupon Code section at the checkout and enter your code. Shein may also recommend available coupons for your orders. Finally, review your order summary to ensure everything is correct and tap Place Order to complete your purchase. So, this is how you can place order on Shein app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.